Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Gyan Ka Dabba. So we're going to be doing a series to help you crack interview questions, and in today's episode we're going to talk about the most frequently asked question in any digital marketing interview, which is how would you sell XYZ product?
ज्ञान का डब्बा।
So you need to understand that when an interviewer asks you this question, their objective is to understand how you think and how evolved you are as a marketer, right? So one of the models which I love is the 5W and 1H model, which I have used forever. So let's get started with that. So the first thing is, what is the product? Now, before you get into answering this question, take a step back and first ask the interviewer what exactly is the product. So for example, if they ask you, how would you sell a mobile phone? So ask them, what kind of a mobile phone is it? What is the price range? What are the key features? Whatever the product is, get into really understanding the top 5 or 6 things, specifically the key features, the price point, because that determines a lot. And then that would lead on to the next question of who is the consumer. Now, you can never make a digital marketing or any marketing strategy without truly understanding the product and the consumer. So once you have an understanding of, okay, this is the product, we delve into the consumer. Now, why understanding the consumer is important is based on the age, based on the demographic, where does this consumer live? A lot of the targeting options completely change. For example, if my consumer is 35 plus, I might want to target them on Facebook. But if they are in the age group of 18 to 24, I might want to do an Instagram only strategy. So it's important to understand at least basic things like where does your consumer stay, what is the age group, what are some of their key interests, and that will help you answer the next few questions. The third is, why should they buy the product? So what is the USP of the product? Now you will see that every marketing campaign typically is around one USP or one hook that your product has. So in the case of mobile phones, it could be around the selfie camera, it could be around the packaging. If you remember, there used to be mobile phones which used to sell only because of how cool the music feature of theirs was. So what is that one USP of the product which the interviewer wants you to focus on? So ask them that, and that will help you determine what would be your actual campaign, and then of course where you would advertise it. So we have already understood what is the product, who is the consumer, and why should they buy it. Now the next thing is, what should the ad say? Now this is the place for you to go a little bit creative and think about a small ad campaign idea, potentially a small ad that could be a YouTube ad, it could be a small 10-second idea, it could be some very funky topical content ideas. Basically this is the place where you go into all of the reserves that you have in your mind of all the amazing campaigns that you've seen and make a small 10-second campaign for the brand right there on the spot. Which will be basically what your ad says. Again, like I said, there are multiple ways of doing this. You could think of a small video idea which would work with that TG. You could think of a post idea. You could think of maybe working with a specific influencer who you think works really well. But really, it's a place for you to show how creative you are as a marketer. The next and perhaps the most important thing is where. Where should we say it? Where should we place this ad campaign? Now guys, as digital marketers, media planning is really one of the biggest skills that we bring to the table, right? So deciding that if I have 100 rupees, how much am I going to put into Facebook? How much is going to go to Instagram? How much is going to go into YouTube? Do I want to use OTT? Do I want to advertise on a music app like Gaana or Spotify? What exactly is the best use of that money is what we have to determine and bring to the table. Now, obviously, in a few moments, it's not possible to create a proper media campaign or a proper media plan, right? But what you can do is that show them that based on the TG, based on the product, you have a solid understanding of how every single channel works, right? So for example, if it's a brand or it's a product where they are driving a lot of traffic onto the website, can you recommend remarketing to them via YouTube bumpers? or can you tell them to go heavy on Instagram stories, or can you tell them to use Facebook because they have a slightly older TG. So right, based on the different factors that you have built, the case that you have built, it's important for you to lay out exactly which media channels they would be using, and possibly also give them a split of how they would spend 100 rupees as a notional amount. Now coming to the H, which is how would you measure the campaign. Now obviously we haven't made a clear media plan, but what we do know as marketeers and as digital marketeers is that every campaign has certain objectives, right? So if it's a lead generation campaign, the most important metric is going to be your cost per lead. If it is brand awareness, it could be your ad recall lift, it could be your engagement rate. So really based on what we think is the objective of the campaign, there are 1 or 2 key metrics. So then we will talk about those key metrics. So what we have done with this 5W and 1H model is really show the interviewer that we understand every aspect of marketing, right? Right from the product to the consumer to the channels to the metrics, we have given them a proper 360-degree digital marketing plan. So my advice to you is to practice this technique a couple of times. Before you go in for an interview, just pick up any product in any industry and try and build out this plan so that when you're doing it in a live interview, it comes very easily for you. And we really hope that you found this hack useful. If you do end up trying this, please comment below and tell us for which product you tried it. And I'm sure the other readers who are reading the comments will find it really, really useful. Don't forget to subscribe to Gyan Ka Dabba. We have a lot more amazing content coming your way regarding marketing, interview hacks, strategy, and really everything else that you need. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you next time.